Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Uruwanga ulwe tambudirie Ulusikanga mia ulwe tambudirie Uluturi kungana kumbu ndongale Uluturi kungana kumbu ya dongie Kimpakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Ululoka mumpimpa mame Aviolunata mumpimpa mame Caminho lunata mumpimpa mame Sunimi bantu lutamine Ulukwenda zandu di pimpa mame Ululoka mumpimpa mame
Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Lugana nkwela yefanda yelutela Lankende Ululoka mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Ululoka mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Kimpakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Mbisi zimpimpa lutateke Malafuma mpimpa lutateke Bimpuka bimpimpa lutateke Suni mi bantu lutamine Akasuma mpimpa lutakabe Yema kulisi mpimpa mame
Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Ulugoga mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Munu baleki ba mutandile Munu mari tandile Munu nalumputu tandile Uluturi kungana kumbu ndongale Uluturi kungana kumbu ya dongie
Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Uruwanga umame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
ange mambonga, amalan, ange banzim, ange bayala, ange nanzu. Ayo lukotsa mukanda, yo lukotsa mukanda kukatuka, kakusitila bana benu kabuzai. Lukaba benu zibula mesu, tutela kumambut, yani basislakan, kasibula mesu, ange bit. Ngedia kasibula mesu kakama sinima kutunga tunga kakange. Ange matunga ngende mwana nsuka zibula mesu. Kukuyena na malon, kukuyena na milan, landa du landa, kungunza kwenda du kwe, okwama kwama kwa.
Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe. Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
Ulo agama umame. Ulu siganga mia uma mwana mwana mamwe ulu loka mu pipa mame ulu ganga ma uma kimpate kuna zulwe
Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe. Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
Malapuman samba mu français que dinki.
Fais pas,
Abulunguile.
écoutez-moi.
Yeri kabaleki bo. Malapuman samba mu français que dinki.
Fais pas,
Abaleke, abulunguile. Écoutez-moi. Yeri kamapola.
kisaruke musange baba ndoyi kakabasange misiki mpaku na sulu jaba
Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe. Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
kiri kama mbuli nge usala ikanda munu fwala yutangola ndogo zizi kusidia bada nufuti sibula mesu fani sama sinema kumakulu tukowa mamamu kukufuila na lumputu tukowa kama mana seiba mupuna niba kuisa na kusipaka bana lukanga fongu kama luta kaba sibula mesu mambuni sibula mesu mambuni kaba
Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe,
amatunga ngeikwa
kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe. Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
zondo kizitati ya bana mumwini mbongo nkatu mumpimpa mbongo zingi mumpimpa bauteka magazini mumkatu mavion nkatu mumpimpa mavion ye mafuate makamyo lukeba
Ulo agama umame, kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe, kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
amatunga ngei
Ulo agama umame,
angene umwana nsuka
kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe,
sibula mesu matunga
kidokiki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
kukuyena na malolu
Ulo agama umame,
yena minya yemamila
kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
sibula mesu matunga ngemwana nsuka
Sanga meni mama kuna sulwe.
Ayambemba abwebatera bobana kibeni ane mpasiko ane kumbutu mambu mabalu kiri jambu kitabu kiri amunderi dasu kiri yeah. Untukiri kumakui kuikwenda mambu masakiri kumputu kampu kitabu kiribaya yeya bisukiri yamemba mambu nkame yamemba yesu bisukiri mama boka benubale kibimba bisukiri kumputu mine Ribaba tukidi kuludi jampi Yamemba mambu kame Yamemba Yesu bisukiri mama bonga Abayaya Maringwangazi Uike yanga batase Wanguri pindi Tamangwana Uiko ganga Uike yanga pimba kabo bana Uiko ganga pimba kabo bana Kiri kumakuiri uikwenda mambu masakiri kumputu kambu kitabu kibaya ya bisukiri yamemba mambu kame yamemba yesi bisukiri mama bonga Abale yeah Amenu Madagascar. Yeah. Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Mariaya, Maringwakati, Uike yanga batasea, Makuri pindi, Tamangwana, Uiko ganga kaba Yamemba Yamemba Undukiri kumakuiri Uikwenda mambu masakiri Kumbutu kampu kitabu kibayai Lupa lungandi Yamemba mambu kame Yamemba Yesu bisukiri mama bonga Yamemba lukale Yamemba lukale Yamemba lukale Unale Yamemba lukale Makele kele Yamemba lukale Kuna beaucoup Kuna beaucoup Mama kuna ntona mbata Ukisantu kuna levu Nangirika Kuna beaucoup yaya Mariambe mbalutale Kuna ngiringa Kuna beaucoup Mariam
Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Valérie,
Mariam Bembalutale.
pour vous, mesdames, mesdemoiselles,
Mariam Bembalutale.
Isabelle Gonzalez,
Mariam Bembalutale.
parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Kuna beaucoup.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Mama, mama, kuna ntona bata.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Ukisantu kuna lemfu.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Kukipa kuyaya.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Selembao, kitoki mosi.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Moussa, Burkina Faso.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Colin Laroche, France.
Bembalutale.
Quel mélange.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam
Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra. Émile Diayenda from Congo Brazza.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Mama, kuna ntona mbaka.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Ukisantu kuna lefu.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Hey, I'm Katie with StreamYard, and today I'm going to teach you
Pangiana ya mula luwezo Conterano, kumenga mamosi Kikundi kajenwa, yonge Denta vokukele, sige mwendo Mokele ndenta compadre Pintu kakanda, toma fukila Oke wa uko, tumukili uzowa Badangana ndenta, kemanka didiko Mayala lele Tatuzola ziana Compadre, a tus horas ya Salud y sasilenge kanda vene contenta Conterano, que vaya quiere tomar y tus horas diana, Kintu kamakanda, que te kefikila, makuku matatu, kutu sale, Kenda wele kwa niya, Wapopila ndonge yaya, Wanyi kakambula, wavumila matungi yeye kwani kakangula tuzolaziana
Mawila anga matamu.
kiendi kamwendo kwe kiba ukuseruka eyaya kiba nayoe kiba ukutashe badi kiendi kamwendo kwe kiba ukulana mama kiba nayoe emangwana yaya misiki mukwatunga emangwana yaya mwana kimukwatunga una milunga misiki mukwatunga
Tokolonga Mon mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I. Let's get together. Yeah, Lego. Kolanda tenzela ya mabe, malembe tokukoma. Mokili tondi magambo ebele. Ya. Sala na kimya. Eloko nyose koma kanango ganango.
Oh. Nope. Only because I could hear you.
Hello.
Kiembote.
Hello. Kiembote.
Kiembote. Wow. Nice to have you back. Good couple. Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes. Last time, I can't remember, 2 weeks ago, I said that we did this one, verbs, but I'm going back because sister's here. Remember, I did say that we wouldn't go back to this one, but we have to go back for sister. Yes? Our last chance.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's kind of small.
Yes,
but
is
I
it
can see
visible?
it.
Eh? Okay.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find that
How are you?
sheet.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Yeah, that's
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Can you hear me? Yeah, good. Yeah, let me try to go. Let's try to move. Going back to the first slide. Yes, our motto. Do you remember motto? Something good moving here. Okay, hang on. Hang on. I'm losing my file. Anyway, I think this is the wrong file, but we got no. It is the right file. You found your file, sister?
Yes.
We found it.
Wait. Yes, I found it. I have it.
Yeah, good. Okay, you found it. Okay, you got it. That's okay, same thing. This is the verb color. think to remember. Let me try to highlight. Yes. No. Yes. Color. Can you see? Let me just try to draw a line here. I'm trying to draw a line. Yes. Can you see? Can you see that? So
yes.
basically, go no. Can you see the
I can see.
suffix here? No. Here. Yes. So ngina, una. Always remember Kigongo verbs. First person always nasal. Gina, una. Third, una, okay now. Then we have our usual two luba, yes. Two for we. Lu, you, many. Be, uba. Third, plural. Is it clear, sister?
Yes, for now.
Yeah, just quick recap then. Here, wambote ngina, wambote una, wambote kena, bambote plural, bambote luna, bambote bena. Here, emphatic, wambote kwa mengina, yes. Wambote kwa kuna. Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, here we have, just to repeat, but we lose nothing. Remember suffixes ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Emphatic. Can you see? Have you noticed something? Let me try to highlight it.
I can see.
Yes, I can see it as well.
Let me just try to line. We have the perfect. Yes. Prefix is KWS. KW, when you add your ame, kwame, your ame, aku, kwaku, pandi. Sorry. Yes. Kweto, you have your emphatic. Let me try to test the system. Okay, this is present perfect indicative. Present perfect indicative, all the verbs begin with nerele, kwenda to go, ngele, ngizidi here, okay. Ngele, here on kwenda we have ele as a part suffix. And to come, ngizidi, zidi is your suffix. Any questions? Don't memorize anything here. Don't worry about it. Yes.
Okay, I'm about to say I don't know what the words like mean, but yeah, because I don't have.
Sorry, which word?
As far as with this list, even though Quenda means to go, and Quiza mean to come, but when it goes to Weezy or Weezy or Weezy Kwaku, like I don't know what that means, but
no. Focus on the verb. Just focus on the verb. Yes.
Okay.
Gizidi, Weezy. Yeah. Focus on verb. Okay. Yes. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to ask a question. Okay. I'm really going. Yes. Remember, we have emphatic here in the middle. I'm really going. That just two words. 2 words will do. 2 words. Your verb and your emphatics. That's how the first singular, please.
Would that be?
I'm really going.
Would that be Kwandi Andi?
Ngele is a verb. Ngele, yes.
Ngele Kwandi. Is it in wait?
You
in
first person, Gele.
Ngele.
Yeah, look on the screen. Gele.
Ngele Kwame Ami.
Emphatic you. Kwame, yes. Yeah. Yeah, Kwame.
Kwame.
Yes.
Am I
I'm
missing
going. I'm really
another
going.
word?
Yes, Ngele Kwame.
Ngele Kwame.
No. Just 2 words. I mean, you've verb and you're emphatic. Yeah, remember, Ngele Kwame. I'm really going. Or if you're fed up, you say, okay, it is enough. I'm going. So you can use Kwame for emphatic or you're bored. Yes. Over to you, sister. I've come. Yes, this English. Yes, I've come, sister.
I've come.
I've really come. Yes. Ngizidi. Yes.
In Ngizidi Kwame. Kwiza Kwame.
Well done. Yeah, Ngizidi Kwame. Yeah. Yes, it's correct. Yes.
Is it in Ngizidi Kwiza Kwame or just Kwame?
It's correct. Ngizidi Kwame. Yes.
Okay.
Remember, you're emphatic.
We're changing Kwiza to Kwame.
Emphatic is we have prefix KW. Then.
Right. So we're just changing Kwiza. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
No, I was just saying we're changing Kwiza to Kwame.
No.
Because Kwiza is to come, so if we change it to Kwame, right?
We use the verb is there. There's a delay. I'm sorry. This computer.
Right.
What's happened to Ngizidi Kwame? Yes.
I understand.
Okay, sister, over to you again. He has come. Third singular. He has come indeed. Yes.
Okay.
You got your verb and insistence.
Bezidi Kwawu. I'm sorry. Wezidi Kwandi.
Bravo. Yes. Wezidi Kwandi. Yes. Tata Ori. Second, you're talking to someone, yes? Your friend. Second, you remember we're here, Kwenda, yes? I told you we're here. Second, singular, you took your friend, you have gone, you've gone indeed. You really gone, yes. So your verb and emphatic, second singular.
Would that be we're over in Kwenda, right? Would that be you said the second thing Wele?
Can you see can you see on your can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, this one, the second is here.
Wele Kwaku.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Kwaku, yes.
Was I supposed to say Wele Kwenda Kwaku?
No. Your Kwenda is here. Kwenda's here. Wele is your Kwenda.
Okay. Wele.
Be careful. It is on tense. We're using present perfect tense. Present perfect indicative. Yes. Everything. I mean, all change. Yes. From present perfect indicative. All change. Gail. I understand what you're trying to say. Remember when we're using the tense present continuous, kunzo ita kwenda, you maintain your infinitive, you don't change it, but not here. Are you with me, sister brother?
not. I'm a little rusty, but not. Okay, so what am I missing?
Focus
When
on
I
this one.
say-
Don't worry. Focus this.
Okay, so when I say wele kwaku, what am I missing?
Nothing is correct. Well, Kwako, you're talking to someone. You are going indeed. Yeah, you've gone. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sister. To go, still to go. We have gone indeed. We have gone.
Okay.
We have gone. We have gone. First plural.
Wele
We
Kwandi.
have gone indeed. Yes.
Is it Wele Kwande? Kwandi?
Wele Kwandi will be third plural, but first plural. Wele Kwandi is third singular. We took.
Okay, sorry.
Talking about the first plural.
Tuele Cueto. Is that right? Tuele?
Yes. Tuele Cueto. Yes, well done.
Tuele Cueto.
Okay, brother, here, Quiza, first singular, first plural. Be careful. We've gone indeed. We have come indeed. Sorry. First plural. Quiza. Twizidi, yes.
Twizidi, Cueto.
Yes. Twizidi Cueto, yes.
Cueto.
Yes, well done. Okay, let us move. Thank you very much. So here, where are we? Where is this? Okay. Let me just move to the next one. Here we have talk, yes. Monongeye, Yandi, Yeto, Yeno, Yao. The equivalent in English, me, you, her, him, her, us, you, them. Okay, the next one. Okay, here. Present tense. Present tense. You got your verb, you just add NGA. Yes? You just add NGA at the end. You got your verb, infinitive, you just add NGA. I live in Mbanza, Congo. Remember, talking about location, always kuna the town, then you apply your rule, object first, then pronoun, the last thing is your verb.
I'm just hold on, I'm just trying to find
the town, then you can just read from the board, from your screen.
Yeah,
but,
I mean,
you
it's just
don't
kind
need
of
to-
small. That's why I'm
Just
just
read from your screen. Oh, sorry.
Were you asking me or him?
Let's pick on him first. First. You're in trouble, yeah? I told you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you said wait, which one you want me to do?
I live in Mbanza, Congo.
That would be
So I live in Mbanza, Congo. Remember the rule. Just remember the rule. First thing is your object, then you have your pronoun, personal pronoun. The last thing is your verb. So in this case, object is Mbanza, Congo. Of course, you should always remember when we're talking when it comes to location, always use kuna location. Then you apply the rule. Am I clear, brother?
Yeah. So would that be? Would
Let me
that
try to help
be
here.
Kuna
Mbanza, Congo? Yes.
Kuna
Mbanza, Congo.
Kuna. Wait. Kuna Banza. Congo.
Banza, Congo. Yes. Well then. Then
okay. I didn't know. Izinga.
Izinganga.
Yeah. Izinganga. So Ku Banza Congo Izinganga.
Yes, Kumbanza singer. Okay. I live in New York.
Kubanza, New York.
Una Gelden.
Kubanza, New York. Izinganga.
Well done. Yeah, you did something by default, but gone well. You know what Mbanza means? Mbanza.
You said, do I?
Yeah, you
You
don't know
asked me,
them.
do I?
Mbanza. No. The word Mbanza means city, town. Yes.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Can you see my third column? Dia, to eat. Yes, dia.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the question?
Let him that ask your sister. Yeah. Sorry. I'll come to you later. Let me guys ask sister. Dia is to eat. Yes.
Yes.
Every morning, consume sugar. Yes. Every morning I eat black-eyed peas. Consume sugar, please. Every morning I eat black-eyed peas. Every morning, yes.
Inga, dia, black-eyed peas.
Yeah, your verb is dia. Dia. So the rule is your first your object, black-eyed pea, then your personal pronoun. The last thing is your verb.
Dia
But
is
in this
last.
case, because it is present tense, you add the ng at the end. So we got a verb. Consume sugar, yes. Consume sugar, yes.
No, I'm confused.
Every morning means consume sugar. Yeah, consume sugar.
Consume. See, I really just can't honestly see the screen, so I don't know.
You can't see. You go to your.
I mean, I can see it, but I can't see it very well. So I don't know what the small writing says.
Okay, it's
and
small.
I don't have
sorry.
that.
Let me try to help.
Let me see if I have it. Oh, actually, I have it here. I found it. Okay, so you said every morning I eat black-eyed peas. So
every morning consume sugar. Yeah, consume sugar. Yes.
Where is that on the sheet, though? I don't see that.
Should be your fourth slide.
I don't see. Yeah, but I don't see the word that you're saying. I don't. It's madito.
Dia, eat. Dia to eat. Dia. Oh, the word. Okay, the word. Sorry, mboenge. Sorry,
mboenge.
Black-eyed peas.
Mboenge, black-eyed peas. But I don't know how to form the sentence.
So kosonsuka.
Kosonsuka. Mboenga dia.
Your object first. Yes, mboenge.
E.
Remember your personal pronoun. E. Mboenge.
Is
E. Dianga.
Dianga. I don't understand.
E. Dianga. Yes.
Mboenge. E. Dianga. I don't understand that at all because I don't know how to put those sentences together.
No, don't. Let me try to write it down. Remember the rule. Object first. Your personal pronoun. Then verb. My computer is very slow. Yes, this is a thing to remember. Object first, personal pronoun, then your verb, yeah? So we're talking about
The object's
present tense.
Mwenge. So the object is Mwenge, and the personal
Yes.
pronoun is dia.
Yeah. The first one,
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dia.
Mwenge,
Idianga, yes. Then the verb, Idianga.
Idianga.
Idiang. Yes.
I don't understand why though. I see why that, because you're using the first singular, so it would be E in front of dia, but why is it Dianga? That's the part I'm not following.
No, your object is Mwenge, your personal pronoun is I. Can you see your screen here? I, here, E,
right.
Then Dianga.
Oh, so I have the wrong sheet in front of me. That's the problem.
Dianga. So your verb is dia.
Okay, I had the wrong sheet in front of me because. Okay, so it's Mwenge Idianga. Okay. So I see now. I had the wrong sheet in front of me. I was looking at the one that said present continuous. Okay, sorry about that.
Let me just move to. Okay. By the way, just keep that. No. Keep that page. We're going there now.
Yeah, I have the right page now.
Yeah, keep that page. Don't move that page. We're going there now. Now it is present continuous. Yes. Ita. Remember ita. The rule is object first. You go to your personal
followed by pronoun,
then the verb,
and then verb. Yeah.
Yes. Present continuous. Let me just going back to. Just keep. I'm keeping the page there. Present tense. You're touching on your verb. You keep the verb as it is. Just you add nga.
Okay.
Nga present tense. Here. On present continuous, you touch on your pronoun. Ta is your ing in English, yes? Your ing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, so, that's ta is like ing.
Yeah, yes. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo, sister. Kumbanza, Congo, yes? Remember location? Kumbanza, Congo.
It's Kumbanza, Congo, Itakwenda.
Bravo, yes. Here, I'm just touching on a pronoun. Sister, over to you. Sorry, brother, over to you. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Same question.
That would be Inga
Kumbanza,
Congo. Izinga.
Yes. You going Itakwenda.
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 So start over.
Fine. Yeah, you done it. That's good.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Remember, just see on your bottom on your screen on bottom of your screen, you have the object, personal pronoun, then the verb. So we're talking present continuous. I'm going to my location. Always use kuna location, kuna Mbanza, Congo. Then, kuna, then your object, Mbanza, Congo. Pronoun.
So that would be
that's early.
So that would be Inga Kubanza Congo Izinga.
No, you just remember your object first, then your object first in the middle we have a personal pronoun, then the last thing your verb. But because we are talking about destination, I mean location, always kuna location, kuna niyo, kuna
Kuna. So that would be Kuna Mbanza Congo.
You could just say yeah. You could just say KU. Yeah, ku. Yes, short for kuna.
So that would be Kuna Mbanza Congo.
Yes, Itakwenda. Yes,
Itakwenda.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah,
to
I don't see
Mbanza
that one
Congo.
on
Okay.
here, but
Yes. Okay, sister. Thank you, my brother. Okay. Yeah, let me see if. Yes, my love is. Generally speaking, my love is drink, but we use it for alcohol. Yes, because in the village we just have water and milk. When I say milk, I mean human. Yes. No. How do you call it? Yes, milk. Milk here. Kimvumina. Yes, milk.
Kimvumina.
Okay, sister, can you? Your verb is noir. Yes, the verb is noir.
Mm-hmm.
I'm drinking milk, please.
Okay.
Object.
I don't see milk on here.
Kimvumina is your verb.
Ita.
Yes.
Noir.
Mm-hmm. Verb.
Is that right?
Verb, yes. Kimvumina ita noir. Yes. Yes. The only time when you use kuna only when it is location. Yes. Are we clear on that?
Right. So, like,
yes, brother and
yeah,
sister,
you use ku if you say I'm going to the market or I'm going wherever.
Yeah, kuna.
But in this one, wouldn't you say
kuna means that
Kimvumina ita noir?
Noir. Yes.
Where you see milk at though?
Yes.
I don't see that on here.
It's in the fourth column underneath noir. It says to drink, and you see Malabu,
Yes.
Maza, and Kimvumina. It's the smaller writing.
Yes, right there. Yes.
Oh, I see palm wine. I don't see
palm wine.
Oh yeah.
So you must be on
Okay.
the wrong sheet because there's
Different
not
page.
on the
But
sheet.
it's fine.
Oh, you're on the
Palm
wrong
wine is
sheet. We're on the
drinkers.
one that says present continuous. Right.
Okay. I'll find it.
It's the other sheet.
Okay, no, okay, brother Audrey. Vova is. Oh, you can't see my screen. Okay, Vova to speak. Yeah, Vova. Speak.
Yeah.
Vova Kikongo. So.
That would be.
I'm speaking Kikongo. Object first. Yeah. Object Kikongo. Yes.
Inga Kikongo. Vovanga.
First, the object is Kikongo. Don't worry about anything else.
Kikongo.
Just go to your object.
Kikongo.
Yes, good.
Vovanga.
Your pronoun.
Man.
Your pronoun Kikongo, then Ita. Kikongo Ita Vova. Yes.
Kikongo Ita Vova.
Yeah, you speak Kikongo. Yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to find this.
Sister, I'm coming from New York.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Coming from is there second column? Yes.
Cool.
Well done. Yes. Location.
It's
New
cool.
York. Yes.
New York.
Yes.
Quinda. Is that right?
Yeah, Quenda to go, but where we coming
No.
from? We coming from?
Okay. Cool, New York. Itatuca.
Bravo.
Right?
Yes. Are we on the same page there, Tata Audrey? No.
I got the page,
You
but
misplaced your.
once again, it's like I
You
don't
can't
see
find it.
no.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Vingila to wait. Can you see my screen? No, is it too small?
Yes.
Oh, so let me just try to be. Still too small. You can't. Is
No,
it better now?
I got the. I have the paper, present continuous, right? Or yeah.
Oh, you have it. Okay, that's good. That's good then. Okay. So, where were we? Sorry, my screen, my computer is very, my internet is very slow. Yeah, okay. Vingila. To wait. Yes.
Yes. Oh, you just want wait on what though?
I'm waiting for my child. I'm waiting for my child. Your object is child. I'm waiting for my child.
Mwanda Ita Vingala.
Mwanda, yes, good. Yeah, correct. Yes, Mwanda Ita Vingala. Yes. We are waiting for. Let's just make it easy. We are waiting for mother, sister. We are waiting for mother.
Okay. Ngudi.
First plural.
Uta.
Well done.
Vingila.
Well done. Ngudi Uta Vingila. Yes. Well done. You many are waiting for mother. Sister, over to you again, please.
Ngidi Kata Vingila.
Yeah, third singular, I mean second plural, please.
Oh, Ngudi Luta Vingila.
Yes, thank you very much. Let me try to. 1 minute, let me just see the next slide. This one, don't worry about this one. This is very hard. Okay, brother, last question to brother. You many are coming from New York. You are coming from New York. Remember, we have the Kikongo verb for coming from is tuka. Yes.
Tuka. Oh man.
Remember, object first. Object. Our object is New York. Yes.
Okay.
In this case, the location. Hang on.
Cool.
KU. Yeah. KU. Location. KU.
Cool. New York.
New York. Yes.
Tuka.
Yes. Luta.
Luta. Tuka. Luta Kuka. Man. Luta Tuka.
You're a brave boy. Don't worry. You're a brave man. Yeah. You're a brave man. I wouldn't be here learning. No, you're a brave man.
Well, you won't do it.
What psychology here, but you are brave. I'm telling you, are brave. You are there. People are watching. Some of them are laughing. No, don't keep running. It's a marathon. Yeah, don't worry. Keep running. Yes.
Oh man.
Sprint. Yeah. Keep going. Yes. This is what they said.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Keep going. We're getting there. We will be there. Yeah. Never give up. Yes. I have a dream. You said that. I have a dream. Yeah. We have a dream. One day we speak the language of our forefathers. Yeah. Why not?
Yes.
To honor them.
Yeah.
Yes. They're gone. We are here. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time.
Hmm.
Good couple, man. You are good, very good people. Let me just try someone. Someone is writing has written. Okay, Tungi. Okay, I don't know what it means. Tungi's. Okay, never mind. Thank you very much for your time, brother and sister. Enjoy your
Thank
week.
you.
Yes.
Thank you.
See you on Sunday. Luenda Kiambote. Luenda Kiambote.
Sala Clemente.
Ah, thank you very much. Yo. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomo, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masuti, Ali Bokuma, Eric Wayeno, Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumpo. Philippe Kamango. Memba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya. Jean-Paul Gouyamba. Bokal Boto Amungu, Sole Mondoni, Franck Mambi, Politisa, Keita Koulama, Serge Ndodo, la San Diego. Yeah.